Khubor ka Batisi TV Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fire Brigade Shillong Ringkat bat ka Victorium ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong
Rakhe ka Women's Day da ka Health Checkup Ringkat bat ka Woodland Hospital Shillong Uchuba Ao Ubalong unoyalam jong ka Bharatiya Janata Party ubapay ka Jila Meghalaya bat ubalawan yo kajat hanong ba Shillong menta kasngi ka Sautrik unay leber arajar arpuway ulapentik na ba ka BJP kanam mi satya na ka kinhon Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kababat ya ulakam sanshar hagani ka Jila Meghalaya habaya kren bat kilat pathay khubor uchuba aw ulaong baka jingyay kentu jong usumbut menteri rangba ka Jila uba preston tensong nya ka BJP baladakam ngusuk kala ban mino na kasorkar kaday tang kajingkren kabalong sisur bat ong baha kajinglong brew ki donhi kijing bakla hang ni hang tay ya ki bala ban yapen bet no mardor na kajingya kren ngotho jingmun halor kajingken no bamsap balathat madanda ka BJP Meghalaya State Unit ya kasorkar MDA Uchuba aw ulaong baka party kan aptat hadu baka loka yukta kan dala ay ka kaipot ka bashay lakani ka jingkano kalong ni em ka basisha.
I'm meeting with him because first of all what he wants, what is in his mind. He's the chief minister for people of Meghalaya. He's not a chief minister of BJP. He's a Meghalaya people's chief minister. So what is his there, how it has come up, little hints we need it. So that sometime what happens when face to face goes, sometime argument will take place, and sometime non-agreement will be take place. So that it is there a strategic purpose. I made them. I got it. I also learned many things how to run a government. Then he told me I'm running 6 political parties together. It is not that easy. Everybody he cannot please. MDA is our alliance, and MDA will be there. MDA will not withdraw. Will be there. Differences will sort it out in the table. I'm here in order to come for tax ahead for the party. So especially for organizational expansion and organizational tax ahead. So today we invited all the state office bearer, frontal heads and district presidents, general secretaries and their district in charges. So we had around 2 hours meeting with them and we took all kind of report that what is going on in their respective districts and their mandals, assembly constituencies. So we discuss everything in and out. So matter we have given for to implement certain tax ahead. Now ongoing, especially ongoing some presidential crisis was there, which I have seen in the media. So some people wanted it should be ousted. Even other political party also highlighted these things are there. Today we come to know everything. So today we agree to disagree. So this matter is over. So we have strengthened the party and party will be expand and it will be given more to more works to the people who are still idols. Corruption issues, in many ways they can highlight, like a party also can highlight, even civil society can also highlight, NGO can also highlight. Nobody can stop it. But since it is our MDA government, it is our mutual government, our own government, so some mechanism which I'm not sure how it comes to provoke us also, we also provoke it. But matter is solved. I were his place, I also say the same thing. Because when too much provocation come from other sources also, the people get fed up. No? That straightforward. He's a very fine gentleman. So he's also is a friendly to tell his own brothers. But another that state president, what is his name? I forgot. He said we don't like to lose even the alliance partner. See, when sometimes we eat rice or anything meal, sometimes we bite our own tongue also. Human mistakes may be there, but it should not be go very to the air. And this is purely our party local affair. Within the party, it is solved. So few people may work, that is all right, but majorities are there will not be. But the issues of matter, see, any kind of corruption charges last time also I told, any kind of corruption charges, it should be sit together with the competent authority. This is, I'm hearing from this one, how it is. The communication gap was maybe that it is what it is. Now I heard this, what is that called, Lok Ayukta already given the order. So it is their duty, the government duty, nothing to do with the party right now. No, it is, we have condemned. This is a condemn. See, move these kind of incidents unpredictable. We cannot all the time plan to law and order. Because any times any issues comes up, it's a very unable to control anybody. So when it comes, but it should not be. All the civil society, NGOs should also help not to come up with this kind of issue. See, when MDA will be sitting together, our two MLAs are their partners, so they will raise this issue when time comes. Because it is every day MDA sitting will be not there.